Howell Middle School recognizes its low-performing numbers in math, science, and technology application TEKS, specifically Math TEKS B1 A through C, Science TEKS B1, and all of the technology application standards, including the ISTE standards for both staff and students. We propose that we develop a makerspace. The goal is to create a space where students and staff can apply content they've learned in real-world scenarios. Through implementation of a makerspace, it is the intent to create an environment that will support essential knowledge skills by allowing students to apply those skills, completing tasks and creating tangible outcomes, exhibiting understanding of the content. The funding requested is to help provide the initial tools and supplies that are needed for a makerspace. Any funds that are received will be used to purchase basic hand tools such as screwdrivers, hammers, scissors, saws, hot glue guns, and enough of these for multiple workstations. In addition to tools, consumable supplies will also be purchased, such as wood, nails, screws, and so on. A makerspace provides mentoring opportunities between students and teachers, as well as between teacher and peers. This strengthens the skills in communication, collaboration, and leadership. The addition of a media and green screen station, an Arduino station, 3D printing station, and sewing station will allow students and staff to create and connect to content related to core subject areas, as well as incorporate new learning technologies. Stations such as these foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving, while at the same time requiring students to use math and science knowledge. This will help reinforce the math, science, and tech apps TEKS, as well as ISTE standards. Many of the low-performing areas in math, science, and technology application TEKS are a result of the lack of understanding and application due to the fact that they are difficult to conceptualize by merely reading on paper or completing tasks within a classroom. A makerspace widens the classroom, opening the door for practical application of these concepts. It is believed that with the use of a makerspace, we can increase the student performance rate in regards to the aforementioned TEKS by 25% in the first year.
A makerspace supports 21st century skills that are needed to compete and be successful in the current and future job markets through the use of STEAM or STEM activities. Creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration are the 4 C's learning skills. These skills need to be fostered and developed through opportunity and experience. A makerspace can provide the opportunity and experiences needed to refine these skills. It's important that our students learn how to use technology in a safe and appropriate way. Having media literacy skills can help our students navigate things they encounter while accessing different types of media. Information literacy is a skill that is crucial, as students must know how to access, evaluate, and organize information from multiple sources, and also communicate that information. These are supported by ISTE standards. Productivity is not about getting it done the fastest. It's more about producing good quality work. Participating in a makerspace activity will aid in developing the ability to persevere and adapt using debugging, problem-solving, and critical thinking strategies. A makerspace gives each student the ability to be a leader in a creative space and develop the skills that make a good leader. Social skills can be a struggle for our students, and a makerspace can help build and foster those skills through connecting students with others of the same interest. At our proposed location, there is potential for outside makerspace for large projects or projects that require open space ventilation. As you can see, there's lots of open space. This would allow us to have multiple stations.
This layout is of the 2 portable buildings featured in the videos. It represents the possibilities and stations that the makerspace could potentially have, as well as places to store consumables, tools, and safety equipment. The makerspace will be monitored and implemented by the technology applications teacher on staff, with the aid from the IT director. Staff members mentioned will be the point of contact for the grant funding agency. Once the Makerspace is implemented, they will also be the point of contact for staff members who will be using the Makerspace so that they may collect outcome information for future funding purposes. It's important to know that not only will the Makerspace benefit students and staff of Howe ISD, but also the community.